Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install VPN on PS5. So let's start. How you can install it, I will tell you how to do it through Router. So the first one is choose a VPN, sign up for a subscription, of course. On your internet connected computer, open a browser and log into your router configuration dashboard by entering your router IP address. So you have to reconfigure your router settings to include information about your VPN. How you will depend on your router. Some come with built-in VPN client, so you can make changes directly. Other allow you to download and install client from your choosing VPN. Next, sign onto your PlayStation and go to settings. Click on network, and then with the network section, click on settings and then set up internet connection. The PS4 or PS5 will take you through several prompts that will connect you to a router. Make sure to check the don't use a proxy server box when you're asked. So in this way is how you can do it. And if you need a VPN service, because you have to have a subscription as says in the number one, I recommend you NordVPN. It's the best service for online security, and if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere safely. And with our parent link in the description below, you'll get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. And plus this, guys, you will get a 30-day money back warranty. What means is that if you don't like NordVPN service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. Also, in the principal page, you can check all the features that offer use NordVPN. And then if you register with our link below, then you have to log in here and you have to write your email address and then your password. Then just click on login and you will log in your account. When you do it, let's go to the left side and you will find a menu here. Just go to NordVPN, then just scroll down and you have to go to manual setup. Just click here, and here on manual setup you will find the country. In this case, this is the country where I am right now. Just click here and you can select, for example, Nigeria, and you will find the NordVPN here, or there are many other countries that you can choose. Thailand, for example, has a passive VPN that you can choose. Then just click here on get setup configuration, and that's it, guys. You will start it. If you have any doubt, in the right side you will find tutorials that will help you to install the NordVPN. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.